Have you ever forgot your Wi-Fi password and you needed it to connect to another device or share it with your friend? Well, this video is for you. I am going to show you how to retrieve your password from PC if you have been previously connected to the wireless network you need it for. This guide should work for most of the Windows versions. Also keep in mind that in case of password change, it is going to show record from the time when you had access, not a new password. Let's get started. Open command line window by simply clicking on the start and typing CMD, then hit enter. We are going to use Windows tool called netsh, so start typing netsh. Follow up with a wlan. With command show profiles, we are going to list all wireless profiles stored on your PC. I have created hotspot for this example, CMD Tech, and I am going to show its details with the command show profile k equals clear. And here you will be able to see password stored for that profile. If you know the wireless network or profile name, you can print same output with one command and I will attach it in the description. That would be all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.